This is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on one of our Sea Ray 19 SPX outboards. This boat has the upgraded 150 Mercury on the back. As you can see right now, I'm standing on our swim platform. It also has your ladder, and you got a ski tow pylon right here. Now in the transom walkthrough, we have storage underneath that can house the removable cooler that comes with this boat, as well as this is your access to your batteries. Now this sun pad here coming in the boat can also be opened on these outboard models and has massive storage. This boat's great to hang out on with the family and friends. You have a lot of seating. Cooler or storage underneath as well. Coming to the helm here, you have your gauges. Got a fusion stereo. And at our captain's chair here at the helm, it's got a flip-up bolster. Port side also has a captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. And on the port side, we also have a lockable glove compartment, storage, as well as storage in the floor underneath this infinity woven vinyl flooring. Now moving up to the bow, we have seating that also can be removed to have your dry storage under here. As well as you can see there's speakers up here for the this fusion sound system. Again, this has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this has been our Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Give us a call at 609-207-3325 and we can tell you more about this boat.